Good day to everyone. My name is Yusuf Ashraf Joey Pamaran Tugong. I'm a very proud alumnus of Western Mindanao State University. I belong to the high school class, batch 1979, and I believe we were the pioneers of Western Mindanao State University because the forerunner of Western Mindanao State University was Zamboanga State College. And it was the then President, late President Ferdinand Marcos, that signed Presidential Decree 1427 in June 10 of 1978 that elevated Zamboanga State College into Western Mindanao State University. But it's not only me who is very proud of being an alumnus of Western Mindanao State University, but including my siblings, all in the family. My sister Isa and also my brother Bimbo also went through the great portals of Western Mindanao State University. Now, you would ask this question, why am I making this video? I'm making this video because I would like to take this opportunity to express my profound and deep gratitude to the academe, the men and women of Western Mindanao State University. Then, when I was in high school, and I still vividly recall my principal, Miss Solamo, and the great teachers that I had, like Miss Alon, Miss Rebollos, Miss Falcatan, Mr. Bocoy, and of course, Miss Gutierrez. You know, this type of education that I gathered, I had, that was inculcated to me, was primordial or vital to my success. It prepared me for college life, and not only that, it prepared me for having a family, a career. And I would attribute that to, the education that I got in Western Mindanao State University. My friends, this institution is likened to, not only likened, but it is actually what it is. There is this famous African proverbs, it takes a village. Yes, when you study in Western Mindanao State University, you have this feeling that you belong to a community. It is your extended family, your classmates, your teachers, everyone will help you. Everyone will be part of that peer group that would mold you as to who you will become someday and somehow. And so my relative success, now I am in United States. I've been here for the last 26 years. I'm proud father to 8 children. I am, the director of risk management that provides consultancy services to at least 36 skilled nursing facilities, or you would say back home, it's like hospital, with more than 6,000 employees. And I was able to make it because of my background, because of the influence, because of the education, because of the kind of teaching methods that we had and still has with, this great institution. I'm not what I'm not today, if not because of this institution. And humbly speaking, I am an awardee of one of the highest civilian service award, the Philippine Legion of Honor, with the rank of Legionnaire, if not because of the teachers that helped me, that molded me, that civic duty to help the community, not only for ourselves. So this kind of values, I've shared this with all of my children. So all of my children, they're very much prepared. They are now all successful. They're all adults. And not only that, they graduated with honors, name it, summa cum laude, magna cum laude. It is because it came from me. And that part of me came from this great institution that we have, the Western Mindanao State University. And this institution is the oldest institution established in our country. One of the oldest, if not the oldest, in Western Mindanao. And so, with this, everyone, the alumni of Western Mindanao State University, we are so proud. Every time we are being introduced, we always say we belong, or we are part of this great institution. And so I'll take this opportunity to thank everyone that helped me become who I am. And not only that, thank you so much. You know, being a dyed-in-the-wool alumni, Western Mindanao State University, I had the opportunity of assisting, okay, or homing, if there is such a word, you know, the president of Western Mindanao State University, Dr. Carla Ochoa-Torena, and the members of the regent, board regents. You know, they were here last year, and automatically, when one of the board of regents, who's my friend, contacted me and said, Joey, can we stay in your place? And you know what, my friends? This is the house. They stayed here. It is because I am very proud alumni of Western Mindanao State University. And not only that, I want to give back to this great institution because I owe it to this great institution. Of course, other than my immediate family, my parents, and my siblings, I owe my life, my education, and who I am to this great institution. Yes, I am a very proud alumnus of Western Mindanao State University. And I wish everyone, under the leadership of Dr. Carla Ochoa-Torena, to continue in thriving, to be successful in bringing, you know, the Western Mindanao State University as one of the best state universities in the country. And I am behind her. And hopefully, one day, somehow, in 2 years, since I'm going to retire already, I'm going back home for good in Zamboanga, I hope I can help our institution. And informally, Dr. Carla Ochoa-Torena said that I can be a visiting professor. And I would love to do that. Share my knowledge. The American Standard Way, HR, labor, name it. I would like to share that and give back to this great institution. No one can beat Western Mindanao State University. So there you are, my friends. Thank you so much for giving me the time to share my thoughts of why I am a very proud but humble alumnus of Western Mindanao State University. Thank you so much, and I wish everyone well. And every time I'm home, you know, I love to interact with all the alumni because as I see them, every time I see them in their own right, they're all successful because this great institution contributed, okay, partly, not only partly, but entirely, almost entirely, you know, who they are, whatever they are in the country, in this country or around the world. It is because of Western Mindanao State University. Thank you so much, and I wish everyone well. Bye.